Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Today we're over here in Carrollwood, Florida, doing a service for this customer here. I'm doing a gutter cleaning job, I'm doing a vinyl fence, and I'm doing a sidewalk. I got this customer here from a yard sign for about 2 weeks ago. I scheduled it out, because she's only off on Tuesday. So, I put the sign out. Probably like 2 days later, she gave me a call. I'm not sure if you guys are doing the yard signs, but that's where a lot of my business come from. So I would advise you guys to get some. I use a company here in Florida, but there's other ones you can use, like UZ Marketing and a couple other ones. But if you can get your hands on some yard signs, I would definitely get, at least 100 to start off. But let me show you guys what I'm working with today. So we're doing the sidewalk here. She actually inquired about getting the driveway done, which the driveway is not dirty at all, really, to me. So I had told her that, just stand on it for a little while before she has to do it. So we're gonna do the sidewalk though. She has a corner lot, so the sidewalk wraps around all the way around the property. I'm gonna be doing this vinyl fence right here. It's more dirty on the outside than the inside, but I'll be downstreaming this fence here. I'm doing the inside and out, and I'll also be doing the gutters. Let's go check out the gutters right now. All right, so we're on top of the house now, guys. Like I said, we're doing the gutters. They're not too full. Got some stuff in them, some sand. Some granules from the shingles. Got some leaves over here on these corners and the downspouts. We're gonna clear all those out. Let's check out the other side. Same thing over here is not that bad also. Should be able to blow these out with the blower. You guys also, if you're gonna be doing gutters or roof cleaning, I would advise to get a ladder stabilizer. I got this one here from Home Depot. It's just a quick click one. It just clicks right onto the rungs, and takes no time. All right, I'm gonna start with the gutters, then I start doing the fence, and I do the on the sidewalk. Let's get to work. fence has been dwelling for about 10 minutes. The algae is falling off already, so I'm gonna start rinsing from this back side here, come around to the front. I'm gonna do this front side of this fence right over here. All right, we all done here with this job here. We got the gutters all cleaned up, got the sidewalk done, got the fence done. I'm already packed up, ready to go to the next job, which is not too far from here, about 10 minutes away from here. But this is a little recap, man. So, you know, I got the sidewalk done. It was pretty dirty in the beginning. All the way down to the end. I went and knocked out the fence for him. Got the fence done. Remember, this was full of algae. All the way down. I did the front up here under this little porch for them. And like I said, I did the gutters. Got me a nice little tip. And I should be back here another 10 months, man. They said they're gonna get the pavers done in the back, and they're gonna have me clean them and probably seal them. So let's go, next job. All right, guys, we all set up right here with the second job of the day. I'm doing a pool deck pavers. I'm doing a wooden deck. I'm doing a vinyl fence. I'm doing a lanai, and doing the driveway, sidewalk, walkway, and all that. So it's gonna be a little nice project, you know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna be using the 12-volt system just to get a 50-50 mix out of this drum here. Like I said, I'm gonna be using the 12-volt pump. I got 200 feet of half-inch hose on this reel right here. I'll be using this trigger gun. You know what I'm saying? Nice trigger gun. Had it for a little while, still working good, no leaks or nothing like that. I got a 3-banger J-rod on it. Kind of ugly, but it gets the job done. Yeah, man, so let's go see what we're doing today. All right, so we'll be doing this sidewalks, the driveway here. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna have the customer move the car when I get a chance. I will be doing everything from the back first and moving up to the front. All right, let's go check out the back. These are we're doing the pool pavers, cleaning over here. Got a lot of black algae over here. I'll be doing the fence all the way around, and also this decking right here. Got some algae on it. Before I start, I'm gonna wet down everything. All these plants gotta get wet down, rinsed down, all the way around the property. All this plants right here. And also all those plants over there, because I'll be doing the fence also. All right, let's go wet down some plants. All right, everything has been wet down, so now we're gonna start soaping up, let it dwell, maybe about 10 minutes, because that's some not too bad. It's coming off, so about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it down. All right, guys, so we've been dwelling for about 10 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the fence down, and then I'm gonna do the pool deck and also that wooden deck back there. The fence is not too bad. The very back section looks like it's some kind of swamp or something back there. A lot of trees, so there's more algae on there. I might let that sit another 5 minutes actually before I do it, so I can make it easy on myself to rinse it. But let's go ahead and get the the sections that's not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and knock those out, get them out the way. All right, guys, so I got the deck over here all soaped up, bringing the color back to it, get all rid of the algae that was sitting on the top of it. Give it about 10 minutes, and I'll be rinsing it. You can tell it's coming off already. Like I said, I'm doing the pool deck here, but I'm gonna be doing the pool deck with the 12 volt. Just to get a hotter mix. So while that's dwelling over there, I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the 12 volt pre-treatment over here on the pavers. All right, guys, so while this is dwelling, like I say, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this deck off. You can tell the algae is getting killed. By the way, you got all this white on the deck right now. So let's get this part done. right, man, we all done here. It took me a little while, but got it done. Got the driveway looking spectacular. Pool deck came out pretty good. Fence came out good. I got this customer to be on a recurring service, so I was supposed to be back here maybe around 6 months to do a house wash. Right now I'm going down to the other side of town for a estimate in Davis Island, Florida, which is like downtown Tampa. That customer, I'm not sure how they got my number because that's way on the other side of town. So they asked me for an estimate for a pool deck, gutter cleaning, and I think the driveway also. So, you know, I'm gonna get some footage for y'all and show y'all how I look at the jobs and how I estimate them when I get there. All right, let's go get the money.
Hey yo.
Alright guys, so we're over here in Davis Island doing this estimate for this house here. The customer wants the front of the house pressure washed or soft washed, and also the gutters done. So I got my wheel over here. Makes it easier to count everything. They have a airport over here, so sorry about the plane. Got a travertine pool deck. We'll be doing the pool cage, also the enclosure, the screen. Get the gutters all the way around. Usually that's the worst ones around the pool cages. I'm not sure how full the top ones are, but I measured everything around already. And you know, I'm gonna give them a quote and see what happens. I'd like to hear from you guys. Let me know if you were doing the gutters on this house, the front face of the house, and the pool cage and that pool deck, how much you would charge. And I'll tell you guys how much my estimate was. All right guys, I appreciate y'all checking the video out. I'll see you on the next time.
Hey yo.